So now we are going to write code for new follower notification. Const new follower notification async function. And inside this, we are going to receive the user ID and user to notify ID. And inside try catch, again, if there is any error, just log the error. And here we are going to find for the user. So const user await notification model dot find one. User is going to be user to notify ID. And here we are going to again add the notifications inside the notifications array. So const new notification. Here the type, if you go and see new follower, just going to copy it from here. So for this new follower notification, we only need the user ID. We do not need the post, comment ID or text. So here the user is going to be user ID. And after this, we are going to have the date. So date.now. And we are going to add it inside the notifications. So user.notifications.unshift new notification. And we're going to save user.save. And again, we're going to call the set notification to 100. Pass in the user ID. It is going to be user to notify ID and return. So this is all we have to do for new follower notification. And let's add it inside the module.exports. And now we are going to add the code for removing the notification. So at this point, I would recommend to try it yourselves first. Pause and try it yourselves, because we have already written code for removing like and comment notification. It is going to be pretty much similar. So I would recommend to try it yourselves if you want to give yourselves a challenge. So here const remove follower notification. Here again, we are going to receive the user ID and user to notify ID. Inside try catch, and inside the try block, again, we're going to find for the user. And again, we are going to find for the notification. So const notification to remove await user dot notifications dot find notification dot type is equals to new follower and notification dot user dot toString is equals to user ID. And now we are going to find its index. So const index of user.notifications.map notification.id dot toString, and its index of, it is going to be notification.remove.id dot toString. And now we're going to splice it out. So wait user.notifications.splice index of and number one count, and we're going to save it. And let's add it inside the module.exports. And now let's import these inside our profile API routes. This is where we are following the user. Const util server and notification actions. And here we are going to import new follower notification and remove follower notification. And where we are following the user. After we are saving both the users, here we are going to await new follower notification. And we are going to pass in the user ID. And the user to notify ID is going to be user to follow ID. So user to follow ID. And now inside, when we are unfollowing a user, After we are saving both the users, await remove follower notification, user ID, and again user to unfollow ID. And now inside our sign up API route, we need to import this model and add code for creating this model on sign up. So now when we are signing up, await new notification model, and the user is going to be user._id, and notifications is going to be an empty array, and we are going to save it. So now we are also going to have to write code for when we are logging in. So right now we already have 3 users created, but we don't have a notification model for them. So for now I'm going to add code inside our login file, notification model, and here where we are logging in, const notification model await notification model dot find one user with this user ID. So here we're going to check if no notification model, we are going to create one. So await new notification model, pass in the parameters, it is going to be user with the user ID, and the notifications is going to be empty array. So this will create as the model, and also make sure to save it, otherwise it won't work. So this was all for this video. In the next video we are going to start working on the front end. I will see you there.